Welcome back. One of the biggest mistakes that beginners make is to assume factory settings are correct. In this test I'm about to share with you, I followed the glass engraving settings recommended by xTool Studio exactly as suggested. And I compared those with the result from my own settings I developed. The results weren't even close. I hope you enjoy this. So we are going to compare engraving glass with the F2 using infrared at 90%, which is what the system recommends, versus the blue light at 100%. So we're going to see if there's a difference. Okay, it's 40 seconds. By the way, if you're finding this useful, give me a thumbs up now and subscribe so you don't miss what I will be working on next. And my goodness, there is a big difference. It was successful with blue light, and you can see I'm rubbing and there is chalk, whereas the infrared, there's barely anything. And I'm going to double check to make sure that, in fact, there isn't a typo somewhere or that I've misunderstood it. So I'm just going to create something. Okay, hello, test. Now we're going to engrave and we're going to go with glass. Sure enough, it says infrared. Let's see. What other types of glass do they have? So we also tried frosted glass, and it's infrared. So do not follow the recommendation. It should be blue light laser, and I had struggled with this. So I'm glad we did the test. This is far better. In our laser engraving training course, we not only teach you how to use the xTool Studio software and engrave jewelry, we actually test factory suggested settings and find the optimal ones. We develop the most effective methods to achieve the best and most consistent engraving results. So if you're learning from our course, you will be able to save a great deal of time and resources wasted on trial and error, so that you can focus on what is crucial, and that is to develop your business and grow your sales. I'm going to leave more information about our laser engraving training course in the description below.